I don't know. This is a shame. This is the most snow I've ever seen in my entire life. Chicago, Illinois. 2/1/11. The worst snowstorm to ever occur in the history. Well, not in the history. Well, yeah, in the history since 40 years. Oh, God. Jesus Christ. Look at. Oh, my God. Where's it at? Elmer Fudd hat. Huh? I got on shorts under this. You notice it's historical? You remember this when you were 7?
No. All I know is a lot of snow. You don't have no gloves or nothing?
No. What do you need me to do, though? All right.